give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya, and today's video is going to be a vlog, a daily vlog. My mom and I are going to get our nails done. We just got a lot going on, and I want to bring you guys along for the ride. So let's go. How are you feeling today, Margarita?
A little stressed and looking real tired, so let me regroup.
Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else does me like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is on.
So we just got out the nail salon. It's late. We were supposed to go to tea today, but that didn't end up happening because my mom didn't. She didn't do what she was supposed to do. Like, she didn't book the stuff. She didn't look into it. So we ran out of time. So instead, she booked a spa, like a hot stone massage for us. So we're going to go get some food. Then we're going to head to the spa and then go out to eat and stuff. So the day got salvaged. And, of course, I'm bringing you guys along. Okay, guys, so I was trying to find a picture, like a spot to take pictures at. It was like such a struggle over there because I'm kind of like, anytime I'm dressed, like I need to be trying to get content, you know, content queen, content babe. So yeah, so I got that. We got the picture. It was like this kind of like cool background. Our photographer did a great job. How do you feel, photographer?
Great.
So we're headed to get some food real quick, and then we need to go back home because the jacuzzi is open, which is what I love. I love the fact that the jacuzzi is open because it was closed because of COVID. So we're gonna get our swimsuits and stuff. So very excited for that. Okay, tell the people where we are.
We're at Saquon Casino. We're about to get a massage, a hot stone one.
Why?
Because I'm the greatest mom
No,
ever.
no, that's not what I'm talking about. Tell the truth.
Because I'm the greatest mom ever.
No, it's because she absolutely forgot to do what she was supposed to do.
Yeah, I'm the greatest mom ever. That's why.
In a million, it goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Young ladies, I love my nails. They look pretty. It's like
No disaster.
We can take our mask off right here. I didn't know if we could.
I don't want flirting on me when I wear hot springs.
You're gonna be naked?
Yeah, always naked.
Like no panties?
Yeah, always naked.
Thought I was to do this in the family.
You don't. You get a
I'm keeping almost everything on.
Even your bra.
I don't know why. I haven't had that many massages though. One because I was with Raven, and Raven didn't, I don't remember when we did it. And then me and Michelle both was slow. Like, we both didn't know what to do.
Yeah, you can at least take it raw. Like,
So what did Auntie say?
she said, she was barking.
So I just got back from my massage. I'm in like the waiting area. I feel great. I have my hot cocoa. Things are great.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly.
Y'all, I'm back home, so you know I'm in and out of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all give this video a big fat thumbs up, okay? Burr. And tell me like what's y'all's favorite way to do like self-care and like make yourself feel appreciated. Let me know. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye, babes.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me, between me and you.